Mzala, ngathi mangihamba nje ngihamba kahle indlela straight. I-steering sabe saqina mzala sangathi siyathenishwa to the left indlela straight yabo. Ngathi hayibo sabe saqina i-steering and nami ngangazi ukuthi kwenzakalani because ngizojump i-speed hump so ngizama ukuchange down i-brakes mzala ngiyazipress i-brakes azipresseki ziqinile mzala.
Would you say imoto yakho bathempare ngayo or you were just going through so much that even driving yakho ngalelo langa bingekho sharp?
Even if driving yayingekho right mzala but into eqinisa i-brakes into eyenza i-steering siqine nazo so andiyazi because andazi xa ithempare ishiwe imoto kuba njani bona mhlawumbi ke ngiyekhohlema but I don't know kwakwenzeka ntoni emotweni because yathi apha ivuma khona uba ndisijejele ngase-right i-steering yavele yatwista mzala bese yayohlaba ngekhanda bese yahamba mzala because ndandingene eplazini ifama yahamba mzala imoto lapho ngangafakanga ne-safety belt because ngangizipholele mzala 5 minutes to 8 it's morning like I've had breakfast ndi-right nje ndisendleleni so wase ngimkhulu ngimude nokuba mude mzala ngisuke uhamba umqondo mzala ndandiphaphama only if ngishayeke ngekhanda ku-dashboard lapho ngivuka khona until then ngakhwaza ndathi thixo
sekulate mzala sowungale
mzala ngikude kabi ngathi mangibheka indlela ndathi hayi ndifike kanje yazi ngabe ngaphuma emotweni ngapraise mzala ndathi thixo mkhulu I cannot believe ukuthi ngifike kanjani even if sengifikile but ngisinde kanjani imoto ikugear 4 ngeleso sikhathi iyahamba imoto mzala ingathi ipressiwe nje i-accelerate but mangiyimisa ngakhona ukuthi ngisuke on the other side ngahlala kwi-driver's seat ngahlala yafaka imoto ku-neutral nganyisa i-handbrake i-brakes zasebenza ndafaka ugear 1 yase yahamba imoto I'm like hayi bo but ndaphuma mzala ndayicisha imoto ngaphumela ngaphandle bese ngaphakamisa isandla for imoto izwe lapha angimanga ukupraise mzala yafika imoto.
So when they said uprincipal went and took i-DNA kwaba neminister ekhipha i-statement ukuthi usikhiphile babuya apparently akayithathanga, now I'm lost mzala. The time bathi uyithathile uprincipal i-DNA uye wayithatha nge-knowledge yakho?
Mna mzala njengomama wengane inkosi yami njengoba siyifamily ithi nizange ifike loo nto kuthini bayithathiwe. The reason why seyiphinde futhi yabuya futhi statement sathi mina khange ngiyisho ukuthi uyithathile. It's just because mina ngibuze umbuzo ukuthi nini ngene ndibuza umbuzo ukuthi nini why sizoyiva kwi-media ininzi into eyenzekayo apha mzala ininzi into eyenzekayo. There is a minister apha sithina yazo endlini on the day minister and sesibona laphaya kwi-media seyithi hayi sofunyaniswa ukuba umntana ulinyazwe multiple times. Wow uyithathaphi leyo thina singayazi? Uyithathaphi leyo into singayazi thina? Asiyazi thina le nto ithetha ngayo because nambuza even seyisendlini ndathi wow mama esothusa because kaloku thina sasikhona kwa-doctor zange siyixelelwe asikuphikisi asikuphikisi but kutheni izovela ngale ndlela kutheni ungaqalanga kuthi kutheni izogijimie kwi-media
mzala ucwecwe njengoba i-caretaker beyimbiza athi hamba yoklina bakhona abantwana bekabe nabo abayi-2 right?
Bebekhona abantwana nje bonke bayi-5.
Okay, so kubizwe abantwana bonke or kubizwe lo wakho kuphela?
Abantwana bonke
bayoklina.
Mama mandashayela ndodwa eklasini. I-separation yenzeke kanjani? I don't know.
Okay, mhlambe maybe omunye bamfaka kule class omunye bamisa ngapha ukuthi baba separated obviously.
Because ngokuyibona kwami mina ingathi because abekho kwi-grade 1 so umuntu nomuntu beleqe kule class yakhe.
Did they ever interview or ask questions from labantwana laba abebanayo?
Interview last week mntasi. Then the 3rd or the 4th ka-April. Not last of all. Kodwa
yes.
Not the 3rd ka-April. Ingona bebe interview. And that was my question ukuthi
what was the outcome mzala?
Siyazalaphi mntasi?
Abakayikhiphi.
Andiyazi.
Aren't you not supposed to get information kuqala mzala? Labantu kanti basebenza kanjani?
Ufumanaphi mzala? Ndingubani kanene? Who am I, by the way? Mzala, ziyakhala mfana.
Okay. Khona la statement khona bathi mzala you refused assistance from physio nokuthi kusizwe ingane. Did those people explain to you ukuthi that process ebazokuyenzela yona eyokusiza wena or yana?
Kade ngumele lo mbuzo mzala. Sizolala. Mzala, mna ne ndingumntu namzala ne. Ndingumntu nje ndine-plans zam. As much as bane-plans zam ndihleli nocwecwe apha ongekho right. Ukuthi nje i-hot water bottle yakho uyithathile la. Ucwecwe ukhala ngama-pains usho ukuthi une-period pains or nje uvele nje asho ukuthi ma kubuhlungu and ma kubuhlungu mzala kuyaqina lapha. Wani mzala i-call okay okokuqala before indaba ye-call. Ngiyatshela ukuthi emaphoyiseni ukuthi ingane kumele ithathwe cat. Yabona ikati mzala. Ikhiyabi yokuphazamisa mzala. Mzala umntwana wami ngaka. Ngabona pha. Emntaneni wami. Wathuleka. As if akhona into eyenzekayo. Emntaneni. But ke mzala ke kulungile. Umntwana mzala waphuza amapilisi wakhe. That mna baby. Lo mntwana imlimazile lento psychologically. Asimse kwadokotela umntwana. Sahamba mzala sisiye ePortshepstone. Saphuma endlini ngabo 9. Safika ePortshepstone around 20 past or 25 past 12. Ingane ime ngenyawo emotweni. Mzala.
Akakhona ukuhlala phansi.
Uthi kubuhlungu. Sithi nyamezela mntana akho nto esizawuyenza mzala silapho. I remember ngize ngisho kubaba nathi baba uzosibulala masidlule ePaddock. Wa-overtake ubaba kunenkungu mzala. Uyabona ngokuthatha seyidrayivela imoto ukuthi noba kuthiwani but masifike esibhedlela. Safika mzala. Umile umntwana ngento ba kubuhlungu. Athi ndibambe umbambe athi ndiyeke. Awazi uba mawenze ntoni. Ayofika mzala esibhedlele. Afike ndaphuma ndathi ngicela uyocacisela amanesi ndiwa-explainele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Because as private like private hospitals are dealing with rape and it.
Yeah.
Rape, sorry, rape.
Okay.
So kumele ndiyobachazisela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngahamba mzala ngayo-explaina ngabancenga mzala. Abiza analysis manager na yathi no akunankinga. Maskene nayo ingane. Yabonwa ingane udokotela. Wathi uzomnikeza i-medication. Wabuza ukuthi ingane ngiyipheni. Asho ukuthi no ingane ibikhipheka yesterday. Ngayiphuzisa antidiarrheal. Wabebuza ke ukuthi okay phuzisa antidiarrheal nani ngathi nePanado. Oh okay. Wathi okay no eyona nto engiyibonayo manje because sila this is the third doctor ebonwa ingane. Wathi because of umphuzisa amaphilisi amayeza wathi so I-admit vele ingane. So lale wodini mzala. Ubaba walala emotweni. Sayolala. Around 8 ngithi man hambe ngiyo freshen up. Ubaba usemotweni ngithi ngimfonele baba ngicela uze hambe ngiyo freshen up.
Sisase Wednesday mzala.
So ku Thursday ngomzala ngithi sifike midnight ngabo 12.
Oh yes. To the next day ekuseni.
Wow. So sayongena ke ndayongena ebathroom ngiyageza. Semangiqeda mzala ugezi mangiqala ngithi mangivule umnyango ukuthi ngibajoyine wabebuza ubaba, mntanami ubuye late esikolweni on Monday, kwenzakaleni? Ndabuyisa umnyango mzala. Wathi tata, besisesikolweni sithe ngosisesikolweni silinde umalume we-transport. Wasithuma umalume ukhetheka ukuthi sihambe soshanyela eklasini. Ngithe ndisashanyela eklasini ndave ndakhathala, as in I got tired. Mina-ke I'm so observant ke mzala, and ngiyashesha like I just need
Yes, you just need space up.
I'm so exhausted, and guys, I really appreciate uThixo uzonandisela and ninibonise into nabuyisa amazwi that thina sikhule ngawo kuthiwa my child is your child. Ninibonisa lokho manje, and I really appreciate, guys, and to a point whereby indenza ndibe emotional. Ndikhumbula last year kanye the time kumele ukuthi ingane iyathole report ukuthi akayamthola. Akazuyithola. At the time,
the pain you're going through now can never be compared to the joy that's coming.
Thank you. Sasithola ukuthi at the time, in fact, at the time, Sas always calling for 1 month, and I was like, kumele siyikhokhile le mali noba silele singadlile, it's fine. But it's a push about. But now seeing people are supportive ngalendlela, ndiyabona no Capitec uthapho uyandireport i-account yam, babona le mali engenayo, but okay, it's fine, I'll deal with it later.
Yeah.
But guys, I really appreciate, and I don't want to lie. Mina-ke I love kids so much. One thing about me, even if ngigoka kangakanani, even if ngisedrobheni, ingane ezivele nje ziphuthume kumina zifuna ukunihaga, zifuna ukunithatha, they can feel ukuthi mina I love kids. Like I love kids, I don't want to lie.
It's your aura, sure.
If it was for me, I was supposed to be a teacher of grade R. Angifuni laba abadala, ngifuna laba abancane mina. Otherwise, guys, I really appreciate sabonga kakhulu umntana wenu. Ndiyanithembisa le mali ayizongena apha for ukuthi sidlale ngayo siyibonele thina, but we'll make sure ukuthi usisi uyapusha and needs zakhe. Now we have to differentiate between needs and wants, even if besizazi before, but now that needs and wants term needs to be written in bold and in capital letters. Sazi ukuthi siprioritize ingane nempilo yengane. Kuzoba right but ewe kona kungangabikho ngexesha lethu, because uthuba when time is right, the Lord will make it happen. Aske siqhubeke sithandaza with Psalm chapter 46 verse 10. It says, be still and know that I am God. He is God, and uzawuhlale khona but noba kunjani noba kunini. Uthi ngemini zenkathazo bizani mina ngizolihlangula. Yes, I can be drained right now, but what I know ukuthi mangiphela amandla, that's the time to gain khona amandla. I'll keep on pushing. Abantu ke I know they've known even age yam. Yes, angibuke nje age yam only 30.
Wena ngathi uyi 2000 wena?
No, I'm 30. I'm 30. I'm 30 and umama webhatch pure na engqokile esontweni, umama webhatch nje inkosi yami, mama umthandazo. Akubikho lula ke at times, but ngithi nje uThixo khona. He's Omega.
Can I say something? Sorry.
Omega. Yes, baba.
Ashe mdala uzenza. Ubuye emarugbyini usemasontweni uhamba phambili. Mzalo uyathanda ukuba phambili wena. Ngiyaqonda.
I think nevoice yam uyayiva nevoice yam uba it's very bold.
Yeah.
Even if you explain us something, umuntu will think that ukuthi ngiyamshout or something. No.
Yeah.
Angishouti.
Sure.
Ukuthi nje ngidalwe kaso, but kuzoba right but kuzoba right. I think le ndlela ayifuni umuntu otatazelayo. Ayifuni umuntu ohamba with omane bhekabheka ecaleni, ngifuna umuntu focused. Yes, we can be frustrated, kuyathuleka, kuyathini, but we just need to be still. Sinikeze uNkulunkulu isikhathi sakhe. Yes, ukuba still kwethu doesn't mean ukuthi asusho ukuthi hashtag, you understand? But singenzi izinto that will lead us to ukuthi si lose focus. You don't need to lose focus. Kuzoba right. Ushilo nawe wathi if kuzokhanya qala kube mnyama kakhulu. Kumele kube mnyama. Kumele kube mnyama phela. And ukuba mnyama kwakhona kuzokwenza ukuthi wena ukuqala ukukhanya wonke umuntu must have a story to tell.
Yeah.
One day I'll have a story to tell. You understand? Ewe kubuhlungu ngoku. But uThixo khona. Ukhona phela. Akasoze ashiye and yena akalahli ilungisa. No matter uthi bafuna bonke nonesono nonjani but uyabafuna. Kuzoba right but.
Ngicela ungiphe 1 minute ngifuna ukuyocima igiza la ngihlala khona. Hey, akubridgeki nokubridge. Yes. Yo. Askisi mzala.
No, akho problem zala. Sengisho nje ukuthi kuzoba right. Yazi the time sisesibhedlela nengane receive calls abantu hleli beza nestory sikaYobi which is uJob in the Bible. Then manje ndingabikho right ke mzala ndithi yo andingoYobi mina. Yo andingoYobi mina. Nemazi uYobi wadlula kwintoni. But now ndiyayibona ukuthi
why abantu bacompare?
yo ndingoYobi mina. Like now I can tell ukuthi abantu bona babebona into engapha ya. Yebona engale babebona into engale wena mzala because now when ngisilandela like thoroughly istory sikaYobi ndiyabona ukuthi yo yayithwele le ndoda but le ndoda yahlala. uThixo ufuna umuntu ohlalayo kuzoba right but it's just a matter of time. Isizini nje edlulayo but hayi ngitholile bafu. Andifuna ukuxoxa yo ingitholile lapho ngimncane khona. Wathi uNkulunkulu hayi mntanami lo mthwalo lo ulingene amandla wakho thatha. Akuzoba right.
Mzala. uNkulunkulu angimazi. Kodwa ngiyambona kuwe mzala.
Amen mzala.
There are times whereby people feel like giving up. But when they read your stories, when they hear about you, when they listen to you, mzala, abantu they wake up.
Yeah.
Uyabona mzala, no child, no parent deserves to go through lento oye kuyo. Uyabona i-grape mzala, it can never be funny no matter what the circumstance is, no matter who it happens to. Noma ngaba ubani. It can never.
Okay.
Kodwa mzala kuzodlula.
Kuzodlula ba. Kade sadlula ezintweni. Kade mzala sadlula ezintweni and uzibuza ukuthi udlule kanjani. But uthi mose ubheke emuva ubone ukuthi ngadlula lapha but sengila manje. Mina ngiyazana nalo uNkulunkulu kade ngihamba naye. Khona lapho bengikhe ngamkwatela khona lathi wena but ngathi girl
Wangiyeka mfethu, wangiyeka.
Yebo. That wandiyeka wathula wena.
Mfethu.
Hayi buya girl, kuzoba right. uNkulunkulu maybe unibekela into enhle mzali yabona. Ubekela into enhle kakhulu isihlalo nje. Kuthi uthathe semsamo uyomhlalisa namakhosi. So nje
Mzala yabona itafule lakho mzala. uNkulunkulu upatient, ungamjahi, usadeka itafule lakho mzala.
kodwa ungitholile mfana. Hayi wathula. Hayi. Yo zala yo. Angikhumbula impilo yami mzala, khumbula impilo yami. Like angisho ukuthi kuba wrong but even if ngisedrobheni manje abantu Nkosi yami mama kaCwecwe and shame Nkosi yami nami ngiyazwela. But mzala khona lapho ngikhe ngibe ne trauma khona kuba ndifike kanjani bawo apha. Ndifike kanjani apha but ke here I am.
Ila kufuna khona yena. Ngeke wena udile ngepace yakho ngesikhathi sakhe.
Yeah.
Yazi intando kaNkulunkulu inokuba buhlungu sometimes mzala. uNkulunkulu afike and take away the person okuyi breadwinner osiza wonke umuntu emndenini.
Yeah. Thuleke nje futhi.
Mzala kube buhlungu intandane mzala zibheke le nale. Iplan alikho. Take away that one person beka healthy, umuntu beka right, umuntu beka supporter, beka nothando, beka wazi ukuhlanganisa umndeni. uNkulunkulu athi you've played a part.
Injalo mzana. Unjalo uNkulunkulu nje ufuna ukubona ukuthi are you sure ngalesi story sakho? Yazi bengicabanga today I was like ngisetertiary ngafundisa one of my friends esenza grade 11. I said to her, girl, kumele ube nayo grade 12. Ndandiphiwe imali ekhaya ingekho enough mzala but ndandiyishare nayo werenta ilale ehlile ethenteni khipha emalini yami. Like she didn't have parents but I was like, you know what, not a friend yami izawuba nayo grade 12. Ndithi uNkulunkulu kade ngikusebenzela wavuma nakulena yabona. But I was like, no man, kuzoba right man, ngambaleli uNkulunkulu izinto ezininzi but kuzoba right. I know kubuhlungu but kuzoba right.
Are you comfortable ukuthi ngingavula ama guest request? Mhlambe just give abantu abayi5 a chance that wanna speak to you. Badlulise mhlambe amagama athize. If you are not comfortable, if it's late for you, sizobona kusasa mase sizojiva. Siyakufuna kusasa. Mele uzokhipha stress sizojiva la kule live. Yazi sikufuna ula mzala sizobloma nje later on kube mnandi. But if you don't mind, I can open ama guest request. But for mina,
Yes.
I'd prefer ukuthi uhambe yo relax mzala. Ubaba wasendlini yakufuna bosemsebenzini emini. So we can schedule lento for some other day.
Yes.
Abantu bayeza bazokhuluma. Yabona?
Ngiyacela mzala nje because nakusasa nje emasayithini.
Oh, okay.
Manje I'll be driving and travel.
Mzala, you understandeka mzala. You understand? Yeah. Mzala, one more thing. Ngicela uprotect uCwecwe from social media.
The picture is circulator mzala ngibonile and abantu have been calling me bethi uCwecwe. Guys engocwecwe loya. That is not uCwecwe.
Mzala ila bekumele uthule ubayeke baqhubeke ngayo mzala.
Qhubeka. Hayi ngimprotectile mzala akayibuki asizibuki indaba la endlini. uTikTok akangeni kuyena like akana phone sibuko Popeye inkosi yami nesophies lezo ezi right like ezi yabo. Otherwise hayi shame, don't worry mzala simprotectile ugirl right nje noma wakhe nobe esikoleni ufaka imask akabonakala ukuthi uma ukaCwecwe because lezi ngane zila. So uye esikolweni akangocwecwe vele igama lakhe nje lesikole so akaziwanga uCwecwe. So ushabo girl sibuka Cocomelon and siyadansa siba ngamahashi siba yiyo umbongolo nayo yonke lento.
Mzala, before, can I tell you something?
Yes mzala.
Awumfilanga umntanakho.
Yabonga mzala.
Mzala if bekiya ngawe mzala ngiyazi ngabe kunuka igunpowder manje.
Hayi mzala bese uyayishiya lengane. Because ithi ukuthi izokwenza lokho bese yayishiya
I'm saying ukuthi if wena bekiya ngawe mzala bebathi nje umthetha ukho ngabe khona olimele manje
Yazi mzala.
ngabe khona umgwazini mzala mina uzothumela mina bengizokuyela mzala
Hayi mzala, at the end of the day ngizwile abantu bathi hayi phoyisa kanje. Hayi guys, if bekwenzeke kanjalo then benzoyishiya ingane bese ngihambe ngihlala that side ikhule isithini. Ngiyavuma
Mzala.
khona ezinye izinto kuyafuna ukuthi ungazenzi unomsindo, kumele wehle, kuyafuneka sometimes wehle ukhe ube sisidenge nje mzala, ukubona ukuthi yabona la ndisesidenge, ube sisidenge nje kuba right.
mzala ngicela uhambe uyorelaxa please
Thank you so much mzala, mandihambe nkosi yami. Good night, ngiyabonga.